Hello there! In this video, we'll show you how to generate money online. We'll lead you through all of the resources available to you, step by step. As a result, after seeing this video, you'll be able to get started right away. If you want to make money online, don't skip ahead. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. So today, I wanted to show you guys a niche that is exploding. I'd like to teach you how you may start on your own YouTube channel and generate money from it. We'll provide you with all of the tools you'll need to get started for free. Now, just take a look at this. If you come over here, you'll find a range of various narrative types of channels to start making money online with. When you click on this one right here, you will be redirected to its YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Mr. Nightmare. This niche in particular, when it comes to sharing stories, specifically scary or horror stories, is exploding. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how this channel makes money on YouTube and how they put everything up. So, I'm going to walk you through how these guys are making these channels and show you exactly what they need to do. Before anything else, take a look at this one. When you go over to socialblade.com, you'll see that this YouTube channel is making roughly $3,900 to $50,000 every single month. And if you go down and check at how many millions of views they get each month, you'll see that this channel gets around 10 million views. So, what does this imply in terms of monetary value? Let's get a calculator. If you come over here and get 10 million views, divide that by 1,000 and get $10,000. Most of the time, YouTube pays $1 per 1,000 views. If you accomplish this at $2 CPM, depending on the continent, you might expect to earn around $20,000 per month from these channels. That's a substantial sum of money. So, the first thing you should do is go to Google and search for free scary stories because you'll need a story to tell. As you can see, there are many various types of stories to choose from when you come over. As you can see, one website has almost 2,300 stories on it. All you have to do now is choose one and save it. Finally, have your own story to tell. Simply click on it if you've come this far and wish to use these 30 extremely brief stories. You will be sent to this page right here if you do so. Now, all you have to do is choose one of these. You can obtain a variety of concepts that you can change slightly. Take a look at this. You'll find 10 to 20 content ideas to get started making money online with YouTube. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, the next thing we need is pictures or videos, and I'll show you where you can acquire them. Then I'll show you where you can get free music to use in your videos, as well as how you can possibly obtain a voiceover for them and make the video so you can publish it to YouTube. The next step is to go to a website such as pixels.com. This website will allow you to use copyright-free videos and images. All you need to do now is type in Halloween on the search bar and click enter. Remember, this is all about Halloween. Look through all of the various images you can find to assist you in conveying the spooky story you saved earlier. There are so many different videos that you may use, and many of them are really scary. And if I play these videos, you'll see that they're among the most horrifying sights and visuals I've ever seen. Of course, you can use this for free in your videos. Many of them don't even require any form of attribution. So, this is one place where you can access all of these videos and images for free of charge. Now, all you have to do is choose the best one that can fit your story. All you have to do now is click the image and maneuver to the upper right portion and click download. As you notice, downloading videos and images on this website is far easier. Now, you all have your story, videos, and images to use on. One of the things that you must need is royalty-free music. The said audio will serve as your background music. All you have to do now is go to Google and type royalty-free music into the search box. Just scroll down to locate a website where you can download a lot of music for free. One of the best websites where you can download music for free is Incompetech. Just go over to incompetech.com to be redirected to this page right here. This website will give you copyright-free music. All you have to do now is hop on your mouse and click royalty-free music right here. Now you will be taken to this page where you will be entering horror. By doing so, all the sound effects and music under the horror category will be displayed. You can listen to it if you want by clicking on it. You can use it in your videos by first downloading it as an MP3. When it comes to voiceover, you can record your voice on your phone. This is the stage where edit and add your videos and voiceover. When it comes to making these videos and putting them all together, openshot.org is a place to start. Just come over to this website and create these videos for free using the said software. This is a video editing tool that you can use to earn money online. We'll need a thumbnail for the final video after it's finished. When you look at the channel I showed you earlier, you'll notice that they employ a variety of thumbnails. It's basically a single photo with a few words or just a snapshot that describes the video you made. You may go back to pixels.com and grab an image, or you can use Canva to customize your thumbnail. You can make all of these different thumbnails for free with Canva. Just go over to canva.com and create a thumbnail. Here on Canva, all you need to do is click this button which indicates creating a design, and this will pop out, and click on a custom size. By doing so, this will pop. Now, all you need to do is enter 1920 by 1080. This is the typical thumbnail size for YouTube. Therefore, you can make one of these many sorts of thumbnails by downloading and uploading these various photos. If you create your thumbnail with Canva, you'll be able to choose from a variety of designs to make an eye-catching thumbnail. After you have the video and the thumbnail, all you have to do now is upload them to YouTube. Continue to make a lot of these types of videos, and soon you'll have a passive revenue stream from the YouTube monetization program. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.